So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. Now you're going to click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Select this and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Program Data. And then click on Microsoft. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on Windows. Here it is, you're going to click on Windows. And now you're going to scroll down again and then click on Start menu. Now you're going to click on Programs. And then click on Startup, which will now take us to here. So you can follow this whole path right here. This is the path. We'll now be on here. And then once you're on this, if you have a shortcut that says $MC reboot, you want to delete it. So in my case, I have that $MC reboot. I'm now going to delete this. And now after you delete this should now fix your problem. You should now be able to install McAfee. If not, then you just want to restore your computer. And then this should now fix your problem. You can now install McAfee.